The first step would be to prepare the baking soda solution. You will need 1 leveled off teaspoon of baking soda. Be sure that the spoon is leveled off and not heaping. You want 1 even teaspoon of baking soda. This will be placed in a small glass. To the glass, you will add 7 tablespoons of tap water. Stir this solution until it is no longer cloudy and all of the baking soda has dissolved. This may take a few minutes. When the baking soda solution has cleared and all of the baking soda is dissolved, you can continue with the reaction. To a small glass, you will take 1 tablespoon of your baking soda solution, rinse the tablespoon with water, and then add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, which is a 5% solution of acetic acid. You may wish to stir the solution slightly in order to ensure that everything has reacted. You can then take a second small glass and add half of this solution to the new glass. To one of these portions of the solution, you will add additional acetic acid and note the reaction. And to the second small glass, you will add some additional baking soda and note any reactions. In this example, additional baking soda caused additional reaction. This would mean that in the first reaction, baking soda was the limiting reactant, as there was additional vinegar left over to react with additional baking soda when it was added. In the second reaction, you will dilute the vinegar first. You will take 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of water. The resulting solution is now half the concentration of the original vinegar solution. Once the vinegar solution is diluted, you will again react this with baking soda. You will take 1 tablespoon of your dilute vinegar solution and 1 tablespoon of your baking soda solution. You will again see that the reaction occurs, which you can stir to ensure the reaction finishes completely. You can remove your dilute vinegar solution and bring in an empty container or an empty glass, adding some of this reaction mixture to the new glass. Again, you will be looking at the addition of vinegar and the addition of baking soda. Notice how the baking soda in the second part of the reaction still causes a reaction, indicating even after diluting the vinegar, the baking soda is still the limiting reactant. In the last part of the experiment, you will be diluting your vinegar and/or baking soda solutions in order to perform this reaction where the vinegar is at a low enough concentration where it will be the limiting reactant. To do this, you will either dilute the vinegar with water initially or add smaller amounts of the vinegar instead of 1 tablespoon. In order to be fair to everyone performing this experiment at home, volumes you can use may only be in units of 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon.